Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning to change your battery on Xumo remote, also replace, pair and test. Step 1. Open the rear battery compartment. Turn the Xumo remote over so the buttons are facing downwards. Locate the plastic battery cover latch on the lower half of the remote's backside. Press down firmly on the latch or finger indentation and slide the door downwards to remove it. Step 2. Extract the expired batteries. Lift the old batteries out of their slots using your fingernail or a small plastic tool. Safely discard or recycle the depleted cells according to local electronics regulations. Inspect the internal silver metal spring terminals for any white battery acid leakage or rust. Step 3. Clear residual remote memory power. Leave the remote completely empty without any batteries inserted. Press and hold down the physical power button on the front of the remote for exactly 5 seconds. This drains any leftover electrical charge from the internal capacitors, forcing a hard chip reboot. Step 4. Install two fresh AAA batteries. Obtain two brand new matching AAA batteries. Alkaline cells are highly recommended. Align the positive and negative ends of the battery with the diagram markings inside the compartment. Push the flat negative side of each battery against the silver metal spring first, then snap the top side into place. Step 5. Slide the battery door back on. Place the plastic battery cover tabs back into the matching tracks on the rear housing. Slide the door upward firmly until you hear a distinct click indicating it is locked. Look closely at the front of the remote to see if any small LED indicator lights flash briefly. Step 6. Force the remote into Bluetooth pairing mode. Turn on your television and your Xumo Stream box manually using the physical buttons on the hardware. Point the remote directly at the front of the Xumo box from a distance of about 3 feet away. Press and hold down the 1 and 3 buttons simultaneously for exactly 3 seconds until the remote's LED flash. Step 7. Finalize screen synchronization and test. Look for an on screen prompt reading pairing your remote to appear on your television. Press the center or OK button to lock the connection once the device identifies your hardware. Test the microphone functionality by holding down the voice button and stating a search command to confirm full functionality. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.